Hello boys and girls, so here in this video I just wanted to explain how you can use the circuit construction simulation to build actual circuits and see how they would function. And they would function pretty similarly to real life. So here we have on the side, we have different things that we can add to our circuits. We have wires, batteries, light bulbs, resistors, switch, different types of resistors, dollar bill, the paper clip, the coin, eraser, pencil, the hand, and the dog. So these are different things that we could add to the circuit to see which ones help us to conduct electricity and allow current to flow through, and which ones will not allow current to flow through. Alright, and I'm sure that you're probably thinking which of these objects are ones that wouldn't work well in a circuit and wouldn't allow electricity to be conducted. Alright, so now what I'm going to show you is I'm going to add some more wires to this circuit, and I'm going to start closing up my circuit here. So I've added in this over here. I'm just going to add another wire here just to make it just a little bit longer down. Add in one wire over here, and I'm going to add in a battery. I'm going to add in the smaller battery because the smaller battery has slightly less power than the other battery that we saw down there, the silver one. Alright, so I'm going to keep on adding more wires, and these just also allow me space to add later on more things. So now that I have connected my battery into my circuit and now my circuit is closed, now I have my light bulb turning on. Now what I can also do is I can, let's say, delete something from here, and I can add in the switch, and what the switch will allow me to do is now I can turn my switch on and off. So what that means is as I turn it on and off just right here at this connection point, now my light bulb is turned on. If I turn it off, my light bulb is off. Alright, let's say I want that battery to be just, or not the battery, but the light bulb to be just a little bit brighter. I just add in another battery into my system. And now that they're connected, you can see it's just a little bit brighter, and I can add in another battery and see what happens. Alright, so these are things that you can do yourself. Now that you've watched the videos, just keep on adding in other objects into this and see what happens to the light bulb. You know, see what happens when you add in a dollar bill, see what happens when you add in the eraser, and especially see what happens when you add in the larger light bulb into the circuit. Here on the other side of the web page, we have also something called a voltmeter. The voltmeter will measure the voltage that is in the circuit, and the ammeter measures the current that is flowing through our currents. These are things that we don't have to use. We more should be using the things here on the left side of the page and adding these things into our circuit to see how our circuit is working or how our circuit isn't working. So that's the short of it, and enjoy using the simulation just to model different circuits.